What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add and remove language dictionaries on iPhone 14. So let's get into it. Open up your settings and then scroll down to General and select that, and then scroll down to Dictionary and select that. All right, so right here you see all the different languages. If you just scroll down, you'll see different languages that you can select. So go ahead and select the different language dictionaries that you prefer. I just did Chinese traditional English, and then if I want to uncheck it, I can. And that's pretty much how you add and remove. You go through the list and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't want. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.